just a follow-up to adjectives and to elaborate a bit more, we have formation and placement. So remember I told you placement is they go after the noun if they are right next to each other. So instead of I have a red apple, it's I have an apple red. And but you can still say like this apple is red. Like that's still going to be just like our English order. Now, let's look at them in some sentences. So he is intelligent. This is masculine and singular. This is also masculine and singular, so we're all good. But this is now plural. Notice how our verb changed to agree. This is correctly conjugated now with our plural subject. And then intelligent is describing they. This is masculine and plural, so this must be masculine. We got that. And we add an S to make it plural. So, elle est intelligente. Well, this is feminine, so this must also be feminine. We're going to add an E. Oftentimes, we'll just add that E. Elles sont intelligentes. Well, now this is feminine and plural, so we need to make this feminine, and then we will add an S to make it plural. And remember, I told you there were some adjectives that go before. So, I have a beautiful dog. If we were going to say, I have a brown dog, well, you would in French, you would say, I have a dog brown. Brown would go afterwards, but beautiful would come before. So just a few quick sampling of that is belle or beau, that's our beauty. Vieux, jeune, that's our age, old and young. And then goodness, we have bon. Remember, not bien. Bien is an adverb. And then size, grand, petit. They would go before our noun.